All right, everybody, so this is the new Snap-on flyer. This is the December 2021 Snap-on flyer. I actually stocked the truck today and I was able to grab it fresh off the press. So first day, you could get this flyer. So if you have any Christmas ideas or anything like that, any tools, you might just want to take a look. If you have a loved one that, likes Snap-on, someone in the trade, well, you never know what you're going to find. So let's go over the 2021 December Snap-on flyer. Let's just go over it. So here we have a few things. Now there's no pricing, so these are just suggestions, but let's actually go to the pricing and see what we find. So we have a light right there. So that's a 425 lumen rechargeable 8-hour project light. That's pretty good, 8 hours. 8 hours, pretty good. Plus it's dimmable, so that's kind of nice. I like that, and it's got a magnetic base, but the only thing is it is quite pricey. They got a welding helmet, as you can see there. Ratchets are on sale. Now these are half drive. Half drive can get quite pricey, as you can see. I'll zoom in there so you can see all the prices. Here is one of the ones that I use the most. Actually, I use this one all the time. I know it's not half drive, it's just 3/8 drive, but like it's pretty short, and I actually use this one all the time. Snap-on doesn't sell a lot of them, and I don't know why, because this thing is handy for brake bolts, for tons of things. So anyway, let's move on. So that's the 1/2-inch drive. That's what's on sale. They got some of that. Let's see what else they got on sale. Here we go. We got a combination socket driver set. It's got a bunch of Torx in it. Triple drive square, which are always kind of handy. Those are getting more common with some vehicles. And we got some stubbies in there as well. Then we have an 87-piece Torx and hex bit socket set. Now this one, take note. This one's a blue point. So it's not an actual Snap-on, it is a blue point. I found this was interesting. I guess they're always looking for tool ideas. So looking for a way we can make a new tool or something like that. You could receive up to $3,000 if you use your idea. So they actually have a whole application. So I thought that's kind of interesting. So if anyone's coming up with tools and stuff like that, you can do that. Let's see what we have next. So we can get up to $50 with a trade-in. So they're offering that. And there you can see there's the air hammer price. Definitely not cheap, and I actually do own an old one. This one I bought years ago, and I can tell you there is a difference with this air gun compared to cheap ones. I use it all the time and I absolutely love it. Put that to the side. All right, next page. Oh, and they got some, they do have a chisel set, a hammer, and they have a blue point one, which is a little bit cheaper than the Snap-on one. See what else they got going on here. This looks like a really big set. Actually, they got, let's see what they got here. All picks, Torx screwdrivers, Phillips screwdrivers, and flat tip screwdrivers. So it's 16-piece set. So that's pretty good. And they have a 44-piece soft grip standard ratcheting screwdriver set right over there. That's pretty decent. And here we got a ton of tools here, guys. So here we have, they're all flank drive. We have metric box in there. We have offset, curved wrenches, whole bunch. I do own Snap-on wrenches, and I think they're one of the best made wrenches that you can actually buy. They feel good in your hand. They're really good. They're really good. I know they're super premium price, so I do own other wrenches as well, but the wrenches that I use all the time are Snap-on wrenches. Let's see what else we got here. So we got a terminal adapter kit. That's kind of cool. We got another project light. This might come in handy for some people. Cooling system adapter with tachometer. That's kind of interesting. They got a soldering gun. They got some stuff here, some bags, some hand cleaner. Water activated hand cleaner. I wonder how well that works. And lastly, that's it. And then just this for the toolboxes, but I don't see any prices, so I doubt they're on sale. They're just trying to advertise. That is it for the December Snap-on flyer. So there you guys go. Any questions, comments, let me know. Hopefully you've enjoyed.